Hi everyone. Natural language processing NLP project for multi-class comment analysis by using random forest is done in this project. Here we have some comments, and based on that comment, some sentiment is analyzed and trained a machine learning model, random forest. So to get the relevant code and document, just click on the description link. Now we check how this project work. So we take a data set of some comments, and in that comment, the class of that comment is specified, and based on this, we train our model. So our input is a training data set, and then we pre-process it. And during the pre-process, as in NLP type of project, streaming and stopwords were the initial pre-processing steps that we take in. After that, we perform some label encoder, and then we do the feature extraction that we do by TF-IDF, term frequency inverse difference like feature, where each term is counted, and in a particular set of document or comment, so that TF-IDF value is evaluated for the particular terms. Finally, these TF-IDF values were used against a class, and classes, as we use multi-class, so the sentiment is not related to positive, negative, it's related to love, sadness, and joy, like this. By using different data set, you can use same model for more than these classes. Okay, so now we move to the code part, that how our code work. So once you download your code files, you will get this set of files, and these are the set of packages that you need to install to run this code. So I'm just running this function. We'll find that this function will train and test the relevant data, and generate result in form of precision recall app measure for different class of sentiment. And we develop similar kind of other project as well, so that user can or student can learn more from the different set of requirement. If you are stuck in any of your current working project, you can comment and ask your relevant question. We try to resolve those things by our expertise. So this is how our model is training. And in NLP type of projects, as per the size of data, execution time get increases, because each word is compared and is transformed, and transformation and comparison takes time. Okay, so this is how our project run, and following are the set of emotions, or we should say sentiment: anger, fear, joy, love, we detect as per the evaluation parameters. So by changing the dataset size, you can generate some more results for different set of sentiments as well. And you can develop your own model as well by using some different data set. I hope this video helped you to understand this kind of project, what features you need to develop, and you can get complete support by getting this project. So click on the download link mentioned in description part to get relevant code and document. Thanks for watching.